Welcome everybody. I'm gonna say how to get views on YouTube without social media. And it starts with something called keyword research. And I'm gonna use tubebuddy, linking below, so you can use it too. Okay, so you see that it's poor, and that means search volume very little. Competition, which is how many people make it, poor, and that means the enough people made it. And optimization strength. That means if you do SEO right, you can still rank search. And let's see. To get this, you need Pro. I'll do a future video about that. So tell me in the comments if you want that. So you got limited times. You got limited video searches. Necessary the web search. So what people Google instead of YouTube search. Video topics. So if I want to do a video topic, I'll go here. Okay, then go to video topics. I need that free. If you have the Pro, you get more. Search, what? That's how it is. So, this is like how Spider-Man sort of ended, how Spider-Man 2 sort of ended, how Spider-Man Homecoming sort of ended. There's a video topics that you can think about doing. These are what people are searching for. Then Googling. So let's see. Go back and type in MCU. And I'm going to do a non-term keyword theories. See? Right there. It came up. Spider-Man 3 theories MCU. And you can tell that's excellent. Now, here's a pro tip. You see this right here? That's how many people made a video. So yeah. And this will help you rank in search and get tons of views without social media. Now, this is still an excellent, so that's what you want to go for. Good, very good, excellent. We'll see the search volume here. You want to this, but you want it around here. If you can here. That means it's nobody done it and a lot of people are searching for it, so that's key to getting a lot of views. So, that's how. And again, this tubebuddy will be on in the description below. And you get a discount if you click the link. And if you're not under 1,000 subscribers, you can get more of a discount. So it's really good to use. So, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a like, share, subscribe, and that is all. Thank you.